Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a little bit of a different video for me. I've never really participated in Inktober before, but when I saw this pack, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to support other artists, but to also sort of try Inktober. So normally what Inktober is you get a set of prompts, you draw or sketch them out, and then you can either color them or ink them or whatever you want. But this is sort of their beginner introduction pack into Inktober. And what it is they've done, I'm going to take this out and show you guys, but they've done a set of special postcards where artists have already pre-drawn images onto the postcards that you can color. And then they've also gone ahead and sent some of their color sheets for you. So, and when I first received this, this smells so good, and of course I had to peek because I was like, why does this smell like a pumpkin spice or a ginger spice or something like that? So if I take this out, this is their little color sheets, but they've also included, where is it? These little like patches here. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So I'm keeping this. I'm going to keep it on my desk near me. I wasn't expecting that, so that's a pleasant surprise. But let's get into what actually came. So this is the colors that they have, and they come in like little color sheets. And this is the pack of the postcards. And I wonder if this one also has one of those, oh no, this one doesn't have a smelly thing in it, but that's all right. So this is their pack of postcards here, and you can see it is like a postcard format, and it gives some information about all the artists. So I'll go over and show you guys this. And then it also comes with a water brush. Now, I don't know if I'm going to... Now, I wasn't really going to participate in Inktober this year. I thought maybe it would be fun to color some of these cards, but I actually did find just a couple of days ago some prompts that interested me. I think it's called Bloomtober. I'll show you the prompts on the screen. So these are the Viviva Colors color sheets, and this is specific for Inktober. I believe this is their like autumn colors pack or something like that. So let's get this off. And we'll look at the sheets, and I think this is so cute. So it gives you some information on how to use them. BMAs, the pigment on these color sheets is highly saturated. That means the colors you see here are different from their actual color on paper. And then these are what the colors look like on the sheet, and you can tell they are a lot darker than what the colors are down here. So I think this is supposed to be more like a true version of what the colors are compared to what they are in here. And you can tell this one's, you know, a lot different, and especially that, if that's more of like an orangey brown, and that looks like a red there. So that's interesting. But the colors we get in this are crimson, brick red, dusk orange, autumn leaf, fire, which, wow, that is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, that's really shiny. And so I'm assuming this is the color down here. Then it's happy yellow, tree bark brown, which would be this one, earth brown. These are some very like autumn fall colors. And then we get light green here, bottle green. Oh, this one has two things in it. Do they all have two, I wonder? No, that one just has one. That's interesting. Bottle green, so we've got some nice greens, and then we've got peacock blue and ink blue, and that peacock blue is really shiny too on that sheet. That's interesting. Then there's pastel pink, pastel orange, which is there, and pastel green and pastel blue. So you get some pastel colors too, which is really interesting. And then you can visit Viviva Colors if you want to purchase any of their products, or if you're interested in getting a color sheet like this. And then I wonder what this is. There's just another random piece here. And then it says here, this page is intentionally left blank. Okay. And then what is this? Amazing. Oh, you can mix colors here. Oh, that's cool. There's like some kind of film or something over it. Oh, so it's like a little palette kind of folds out. That's kind of cool. They've put some kind of like film or something over that. So that's the colors that come in these, and like they are definitely very like fallish. So let's check out the postcards now. So on the back here, it just has a little letter to you. So it says, "Dear fam, I'm so happy for you to hold this set in your hands. For the first time ever, Inktober is accessible to people who don't even do art. It's a matter of huge privilege for us to break ground on this and invite a whole new generation of creators to art. Paint, have fun, and who knows where this may lead. 6 fantastic artists across 5 countries helped bring this special set to life. 1 postcard for each Inktober 2021 prompt, along with our autumn special color sheet to paint them. I hope this is as special for you as it is for us." And then it just says who the creator is and Viva color sheets. So this is really cool. Oops, there it goes. So this is pretty cool that they did this month, because it can be quite intimidating to create something. For each prompt, you've got to find something to draw it out, ink it, color it if you want to. It's a lot of work. And that's why I've personally never done Inktober, because I just don't have the time really. But this is our first prompt. It's day 1 crystal. This is what it looks like. And this is from the artist Kat Vack. And this is actually where I saw these postcards the first time. She had made a video maybe a couple of weeks ago, actually maybe a month by now ago, because I had bought these originally in August. And so I just thought this was really great, and I wanted to support the artist in it. So it says about the artist, Mary is a Swedish artist who couldn't decide which she loves more, art or cats. So she decided to draw lots and lots of cats. Her unique gift is giving a human quality to the animals she paints. So that's super cool. It gives a little bit about the artist. And I don't know if on the back is the same. Oh, they've got the artist mixed up. Okay, that's interesting, because I thought maybe all of hers would be in order, but it's not. Okay, so that's crystal. Then we've got suit, day 2. And this is from Derek, is a professional artist from Canada who has designed for Marvel, DC Comics, Warner Bros, and Disney, among others. How cool is that? He recently launched his own graphic novel mini-series called Ruin World. Day 3 vessel. And this is from Xavier, is an illustrator and elementary teacher from Florida who loves exploring natural history within the context of scripture. He enjoys work that unites his passion for flora, fauna, and faith. That's pretty cool too. Day 4 is not. Michelle is an art-obsessed psychologist from Germany who loves her plants so much she gives them human names. She usually makes art with minimal color, but encourages you to go crazy with your colors. And they've each got their handle down here too. Day 5 is Raven. Jonah is an artist from Finland who creates mystical creatures from a fantasy world. She is surrounded by pristine nature and animals which she adores and draws endless inspiration from them. So this is day 6 Spirit, and this is also Xavier. This is day 7 Fan, and this one's from Derek. And I think this is the last creator, day 8 Watch. And this is, of course, Jake Parker. He's an NYT best-selling illustrator who started Inktober in 2009 as a personal challenge. He is passionate about helping complete art beginners experience Inktober and the joy of art. So that's pretty cool. So those are all 6 artists in this pack. Okay, so I'm just going to run over the rest of the cards and the artwork real quick along with the prompts. So this is day 9 Pressure, day 10 Pick, day 11 Sour, day 12 Stuck, day 13 Roof, day 14 Tick. And you can kind of see how some of the artists have like a similar theme going on in each of their postcards already, which is really cool. Day 15 Helmet, day 16 Compass, day 17 Splat, day 18 Moon. I really like this one too. That's really pretty. Day 19 Loop, day 20 is Sprout, day 21 Fuzzy, Those fuzzy little bees. Day 22, open. Day 23, leak. Day 24, extinct. Day 25, collide. Day 26, connect. Day 27, spark. That one's cute too. Day 28, crispy. Day 29, patch. This is definitely a cat back one. Yes. I was like, this definitely is her art. Day 30, slither. And day 31, risk. So those are the prompts along with the cards this month. Okay, so I thought it'd be really fun to try these Viviva color sheets out, maybe doing this tree. So I think I'm gonna go get some water, fill this up, and we'll do this little tree just to see how these postcards do. So I think I'm gonna go to some of these like earthy colors. So I just put some water in this, and again, these are just one of those water brushes that you unscrew here, put the water in here, and then screw it back in. And I just always activate my brush off on the side because sometimes like that water just jumps right out of it, and you never want it to just splat onto your paper and ruin whatever you're doing. And I kind of tend to test it here just to see how wet it is, and I think that's okay. We'll have to see how well the water control is on this compared to the brushes that I usually use. But I'm also noticing right away they have these little finger grooves on the side, and I kind of like that. So I think I'm going to start with this more tannish orangey brown here. And I wonder how pigmented it is. Ooh, that is pretty pigmented right away. So I think I'm just going to fill in the whole tree with this. Oh, that is quite orangey brown. So maybe I'll need to pull in maybe some of this. I wonder if I can mix. I should have brought a little mixing palette with me. Oh, that's very dark. Wow, these colors are very pigmented. I wonder if I can blend this out. Now that I've put it down, does it blend out? A little bit. Oh, actually, it blends out quite nicely. Oh, that's interesting. So I thought these were supposed to be maybe like ink, but maybe it's more like watercolor. I'm not sure. Just gonna get some of this and just try it and see if I can sort of blend that out. Oh, these blend out really nice, surprisingly, on here. Okay, so it looks like once it's actually dry, though, it's kind of permanent. But where I've had a little bit more water down here, I can still kind of play around with it. But up here where this has dried, it's not really moving. And I'm noticing this brush does sometimes let out a little bit more water than I want, but it's easy to just kind of dab up too. So that's kind of interesting. So I think I'm going to do maybe a very light, light version of this orange color. And then I'll just go in and fill in with some of the other colors. Okay, so I think I'm going to take some of this tree bark brown now and just add this in to a couple of places where I want it to be a little bit darker maybe, and just see how they kind of blend. So I'm noticing when the paper's wet, they do disperse pretty nicely onto the paper. And when it's dry, they blend out really nicely too. So I don't think these cards are cotton, like 100% cotton at all, but they do a pretty good job of taking this like inky watercolor stuff. So that's pretty cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna go grab, let's see, what are my other colors? I think I'm gonna grab this ink blue, and I wanna see what this looks like, and I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color this ink part here. Oh, that is really dark. So I'm just gonna water it down and just color that, and see how you just need a dab and it blends out like so nicely. Just gonna put a little bit more brown into a couple of these places up here and just blend it out. Just feels a little too light. But again, I'm just doing this quick just to get a feel for these, and they're actually kind of pretty fun. So they layer pretty nicely. I do like that. So that's the things I got for Inktober this year. So like I said, let me know down below. Do you want to see me do the cards for each prompt? Do you want to see Bloomtober, or maybe a little bit of each? I'll see how I feel when I see the prompts. Because some of these cards too are quite complicated. Like, I mean, that's very busy. So I'm not sure, you know, how that's that's gonna go, but I've really enjoyed these. These were surprising for me. I wasn't sure I was gonna like these because I've tried watercolors in card form before, and I didn't really like them all so much, but these are really fun to use and they blend really nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, please subscribe, and let me know what you want to see coming up down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!